Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use gift code in Whiteout Survival. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, open Whiteout app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, there are two ways of using a gift code. It depends on whether you are using Android device or an iOS device. If you are using an Android device, you just need to tap on the profile icon at top left corner of the screen and then open the game settings. On this page, there will be a gift code feature present, so you can use it for gift codes. But if you are using an iOS device, go back one step and copy your account ID. After that, open any type of preferred browser and search for WOS redemption page. Now, open the official Whiteout website, paste the account ID, and then enter the gift code to redeem it. So that's basically how you can use gift code in Whiteout Survival. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.